Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode with Bookmap. We're going to cover small caps and also large caps. This morning we have Tesla. Remember, tomorrow is holidays. Then we have over here Friday, which will be only half day. Tesla for the morning will be my main interest. We're gonna look for play over here long on dips, so I'm looking for dips into the 341. If I see the 341, then I can look for a long play. If the market instead will fail, pop and fill short. Remember always to read the disclaimer. These sessions are for educational purpose only, and also I invite you to study the past webinars to understand how we trade. I'm JTrader for who's new over here. I'm trading day trading style since a long time, small caps since 2016-17, and large caps. And before I used to trade only futures and Italian equities for the past 25 years. I'm over here based in Italy. We have a trading academy. Next week I'm pretty happy because around 10 traders will join the academy over here in somewhere in Italy. So you're invited. We're gonna hold also one-day seminar in Dubai, this on the 16th of January. Okay, so I share the link on my Twitter for who wants to join. And let's start. So first of all, we can see over here Tesla. This morning I had over here some good volume in this pre-market, so you can see that we had accumulation around 340, 340.40, and then start like to push. This is the J-line curl, right? So the blue lines that you can see over here, this is J-line curl, this is a breakout, and then over here you can see a push to the upside, 340 till 342. Now, as I said at the gate, I'm looking for a play over here. There we go. I'm looking for a play, buying into the dips, and then looking for a long. Let me resize over here because something happened for who's following us on YouTube. There we go. Another thing, most important levels that we can see right now on Tesla, definitely this area over here, 344, 345, we have some supply area. And this support area over here, 336, okay? So we are in a trading range for the last days, okay, traders? So again, or pop and fill short or dip to longs. You can wait the first 1 or 2 minutes out of the gate. You always know that that can be a particular hard to trade. And this is based on experience. I can tell you that when I see traders joining the open, this is my daughter over here, came to see me. She's 5 months and she's beautiful, just like the mother. And the first few minutes can be highly reactive. Okay, so I would wait for the first 2, 3, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and then once we establish the, I would say that the trend, okay, the bias, then take the long play or the short play according to the setups. If you're looking to trade with us, we have a playbook that we teach in the room, and also right now we have shared on my Twitter the boot camp, so it's like 10 trading lessons of 10 minutes. They will bring you from nothing to take the first trade in less than 100 minutes. This is free, it's for everybody, and also you receive a discount for the first month, 50% off the room, okay? So this is for Tesla over here. Now, what have we played over here in pre-market? Well, several things. I have over here my wife. She's up for the morning for about, yeah, she did some good thing, $600 with our small account. So, funny, you did pretty good. And I mean, she traded like small size still. She's like trading with Zins over here, but at least I want that she keeps this consistency, and that's what it's important for me. So the most important thing is the risk management. So when something doesn't work, cut it, like on EDI or HWH. And that's good, okay? That's good. So now I'm gonna look to trade instead big caps. That's gonna be on my account. and I will focus, as I said, on Tesla. Small caps have been like a killer in pre-market. So look over here, this candle list that we have, right? We had EDI, HWA, CYCN, UMAC, IFBD, VCIG, TRNR. All these were stocks we traded in pre-market. All of these traders. So there's a lot really to trade it in pre-market if you want to join over here early. EDI is a sector move, okay? Don't underestimate this because it can really extend like it happened over here in the previous days. Yesterday over here, you can see the big accumulation at the J lines and VWAP and then push. This morning again, we had J lines and VWAP and push. So you could actually swing this from 0.38, 0.40, over here 0.80. How I'm gonna trade this? Daily levels that we have are 0.90 and 110. So only if we reach 0.90 and 110, we see some major fake out level and stuff move, then we're looking to short, okay? Otherwise, for the morning, IDI will be only long on dips, okay? Don't look for anything else. I want to cover CYCN. We are short on this. We share some timestamps as well. Again, over here, you can see the beauty of the J lines, okay? So over here, they got you long. If you got the long over here around 185, more at 530 over here, 197, more over here, more over here. So look at all these dips. This is perfect, right? Look how they work these dips, J lines, simply amazing. But I didn't long. Personally didn't long, I only follow over here. My wife, she's been like short over here from 252, and now we're holding. This is the main target, $2, okay? What does it mean over here? It means that we reached the 200 million at 5. Now, can we still unwind more? Probably yes, but we're looking for some pops at the gate, ideally into the 230, 240 area, because we have this supply area. You can see this consolidation to short into. SOS, not I mean like SOS over here, the stock, okay? So let's see over here, SOS, what is doing? SSR, so we have 18 million float, and we're gonna look for a short. Looks more like a pump and dump. I see over here news from August. Yeah, I would like to see this higher, SOS. Yeah, we're gonna see this higher. CYCN. So 230, 240 for a short gap and crap. Everybody right now is looking VCIG. What is VCIG? This stock has history of fader, 71%, 7 gappers in the last 3 years. Average spike 45%. So this means that from the gate extends, okay? Extends before dying. We have a very small float, around 2 million, okay? This is a super small float. This morning, actually, we had even like 600K float, but super small float. Multiple flow rotation. You can see it over here that we're actually basing into this 240, right? 240, why this 240? You go back and you will see this is a key level, okay? We are breaking over here this trend line. So this really looks like a triangle pattern. I'm gonna put over here also all the book maps. So these are all the stock that we actually followed this morning. There we go. And we're gonna put over here VCIG. Yeah, this is pretty good how I put my book map over here. After the gate, we're gonna change this, but for now you can actually modify it. We're gonna keep it over here till at 4,000. I wanna see just like the most important fills, all right? What is the plan that I will do over here on VCIG? Anybody? I'm looking for an extension, okay, into the 3. So if I have over here an extension into the 3, I will consider this as an A+ setup to short. Okay, team? Looking at extension into the 3. We'll love it here for a gap and crap with extension to the pre-market highs. Ideally, above 3 for a stop would be amazing. So we'll cover this, okay? We're gonna cover this live and we're gonna see this to trade together. Personally, I'm gonna stay on large caps, but I mean, I will alert and over here and I will cover this for you. One more. UMAC, TRNR, SOS. Look over here, UMAC. So this morning I saw something shocking. Shocking or shocking? Shocking, okay. And we got this over here. I see. So this was Alexandra. No, it was not this UMAC, I think. Maybe it was this, I think. Okay, anyways, we had this big parabolic over here. And then I saw, yeah, over here, Kyle doing his job. VWAP projection, you can see, wait for the first part of the move, okay? This is a 1 minute chart. Sometimes you'll use the 1 minute, sometimes the 2 or 3. In this case, the lower highs consider this VWAP projection, okay? This red line over here, this actually orange line is orange, right, baby? Yeah. My wife and my daughter saying this orange line. So that's a short over here, a 30, and then you can cover all the way down to the J-lines. And you go back and you see how J-lines work perfect again. They got the real dip. Okay, so we're gonna cover over here UMAC again at the gate. This could be interesting. Remember, UMAC, do not underestimate this. It's a small float, SSR on. We wanna see over here, and it's a daily breakout. Daily breakout, okay? Any questions on this, traders? I wanna research a little bit about UMAC. So we go on the dilution over here. So UMAC, it tells me over here that they have 10 months of cash, which is equivalent to 3 million, so it's nothing. They have warrants over here at 199, so they can really exercise it. They're registered as well. More warrants at 199 not registered. No other dilution that I can see. And also UMAC over here. Let me see if we have bag holders, but I believe we don't have bag holders over here. Yeah, not really. Not really. Let's look over here. Well, this would be a nice $9.50, $10 high of day fake out, right? So UMAC, let's look for $9.50, $10 high of day fake out. Okay. So major ones will be Tesla. Second, we're gonna look at NQ. Third, CYCN. Fourth, IDAI. Remember, we have also long play. Then we're looking at VCIG. TRNR for who's still in. UMAC over here. And then maybe SOS. Setups to play also in NVIDIA. Okay, we're gonna cover NVIDIA. So a lot of good plays. Remember, tomorrow is holiday. Not for us in Italy, okay? But for the States, it will be holiday. NVIDIA, I really love the support over here, 135. So NVIDIA, we're gonna play with size. Breakdown of 135 and rejection equal over under setup. Okay, you can study this setup in our playbook. Or if futures will push, fake breakdown and long on reverse J slim. All right, BCIG has to push a little bit more. We're gonna stay on UMAC. This has to push a little bit more. Yeah. We're gonna stay on TRNR for gap and crap, at least for this and more over here. So NVIDIA can be a very good play. Look, the support over here, tested multiple times. Breakdown 135, wait the breakdown, and then short the pops. Remember yesterday webinar we did on tape reading, so you know exactly what to look for. Or breakdown 135 for tested 135 and long play on the bounce. Sorry, traders. questo qua. So let's also put over here UMAC on this. Don't die VCIG, right? You can see over here that they're propping the tape, right? That 1050, they were refilling 1050. They're still like trying to push it. I'm gonna put another one of these.
Yeah.
Guarda. Qui.
Yeah.
Extension dump, extension dump. See, went away.
Yeah.
It's going to cross maybe, because it has to cross.
Yeah. Cross here at 30 seconds.
Still 11 minutes to go. For now, we have to wait. So what I suggest to traders is to make your plan, prepare for the trading day, set your risk per stock, okay? So if you have like, let's say 3 stocks that you want to trade, put 30%, 30%, 30% of risk, because maybe one of these stocks or tickers, according to what you're going to trade, is not going to work. So you want to simply reduce, you know, like your max dollar loss. Okay, over here, traders, I got short. 1055 on UMAC starter. What I see over here is, I'm gonna put over here my pencil. I love this pencil. What I see over here is, there we go, is this play. So I wanna see over here a breakdown of 10 and a wash over here before the open. This is one of the patterns that I like to trade, the 3-way pattern. okay? So right now, risk is gonna be the high of day, and I wanna see this zone over here to hold and push down. Let's see. The risk is tight, the size is not big, and then I'm gonna focus only on large caps for the gate, so Tesla in particular or Nvidia. Confirm also the sell node zone. Ciao, amore. Caramba, anche lui look. Okay, let's start watching our Tesla for the morning. So Tesla back down over here to the view of Valence. As we said, we want to see a dip for a long, right? And also we're going to put up Nvidia, which has a very good pattern. Exactly in the support over here, 135. Okay, so we're going to put it here in Nvidia. Wash in the meantime, UMAC at $10. $9.90 UMAC. Okay, cover half 990 on UMAC from the 1055. So UMAC è da che può andare o quei due e dopo c'è, vediamo se c'è JSLM. Ciao piccola. Okay, get ready traders. We have over here 6 minutes to go. For who just came, a few news over here. The first one, next week we're gonna have the Bookmap webinar at the Trading Academy over here. I will have between 8 and 10 attendees according to the days. So at my Trading Academy, you can come to trade. Spend 1 or more days over here with me. You trade live using Cobra or Zintra or whatever broker you prefer. We also open a prop firm, so we're funding traders with the best commission, the best software available. It's a real leveraged prop firm, so you actually really trade the market, not like a lot of scams out there. Second thing, we're going to have a complete over here course that you can receive for free. Just go on my Twitter, and it's called Bootcamp. So it's 10 trading lessons on not only the setup to trade, how to trade pre-market, trade at the open, but also which routes are the best to use, commissions and everything. So we're going to talk a little bit about everything, and also you receive a discount for 50% off first month. Also, for who's interested in Bookmap, remember that we're going to have a special discount coming out on the 29th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check back again. Yeah, the 29th. So wait for the discount over here. We'll share the link also online. And that's it. So 3 minutes to go, actually 4 minutes to go. I'm looking right now at NVIDIA, first main play. Dopo vediamo UMAC, VCIG, poi VCIG dovrebbe venire qua su, CYCN, potrebbe venire qui. Scusa. Devo mettere anche dopo qui il tuo amico footprint. So 2 secondi. Remember, tomorrow it's holiday, right? So trade good today. Careful, risk set. Okay, I wanted you pass good holidays. Okay, team, prepare. 1 minute to go. .30 seconds. VCIG at the 1 minute J lines. NVIDIA over here, breakdown of that 135. So we're gonna check NVIDIA. Okay, open over here. For now, wash over here on NVIDIA. Sellers. Fast pop in fail. Let's see if we can have a pullback to the 135 and short. Nice fader. UMAC instead pushing. So I don't know if somebody took the long at the J lines. Actually, at the pop over there. Very fast dump. It's gonna probably hold down. NVIDIA main play, so for an over-under. Non c'era il rosso, capito? No, non c'era il rosso su footprint.
Oh, ecco.
C'era sul 15. Vi say G-dip in the 1 minute channels in pushing.
Qui c'è questo, solo questo qui.
No, late. Halted.
Mm-hmm.
Dump on the market over here. So exactly what is a gap and extension play. Push into the pre-market high resistance and fader for a short fail. So Tesla over here, VWAP rejection. This is one of the setups we trade. So pop and fail, VWAP rejection. Now stay short. And also over here, the fast over under NVIDIA. NVIDIA perfect, beautiful buddy. CICN wash, we're still holding short on this. UMAC halted, SOS halted, PGHL halted. Remember PGHL yesterday was a big mess. NVIDIA still going down, so hold. push on VCIG from the 1 minute J lines. So over here, what we see traders is this big exhaustion to the downside on Nvidia. So take over here partial profit. Then trail all 134 and 60. Give it a little bit of room. VCIG. Okay, let's look at VCIG. So you can see VCIG on watch. This is a dip on the over from J lines. I'm waiting on BCIG. Nvidia is still holding this 133. You can see over here from where we had the exhaustion to the downside. Hura no cash. UMAC open. So here I would like to see 6. UMAC VWAP cover 1/3 and watching DCIG at 3+. Nvidia and Tesla hold it. Hey, hold on, Gordon. I prefer 1 minute. Yeah, also no bag holders over here on Hura. So watching, but mostly watching Tesla, Nvidia, and our friend over here, VCIG, that is still extending. There we are, VCIG. Short at 292, 299 on VCIG. Half day fake out. Let's see. Ora ora.
Deve attraversare.
Scusa, guarda questo.
Sì. Let's see if it crosses down.
Add over here traders on VCIG. Still small.
Seconds.
When I see a close on the 5 minutes below the pre-market high on VCIG, let's see if we stop over here.
Might confirm.
I had a full size position at 309, risking the high of day. So I want to see the break on this tree. È andato guarda pre-market high, è il nostro livello, giusto?
Sì.
Qui c'è il nostro arrow.
Sì. Vediamo se conferma. Sì, questo confermato.
I'm looking over here for 1 minute J lines. Anybody short on VCIG traders?
Let's see if it confirms.
So let's see if we can get to the 1 minute J lines.
Yeah.
285, 284, 283, 282.
Okay.
281. 280, 279. Hope you like this trade. Very good over here. Yeah, non mi interessa più. Well done, team. So you can see now the big sellers. We see the J Slim, half day fake out. Let's look for 1 minute J lines. We're looking for the major paycheck, right? Iron is pushing. CYCN we're gonna cover at the low of the day. Quindi questo è il mio sistema. Quando c'è qui, va su lì e vedi ovando quello lì. E poi sento con l'arrow o questo qui. Let's go back and check NVIDIA. At the J lines over here, J Slim. If you break over here 134.30, this will fail. And Tesla back at the VWAP. Let's check also this. Ok, BCIG. Vediamo se fa fake out di qui del 5. At this point, you can see that we have a lot of supply over here above. So we can use that with risk as 310s. And our target still remains over here around 250. So we're looking always to short sell into this area. Added something 305. J Slim on 3.
Yeah.
Vediamo qui se c'è un coso, un arrow, qualcosa, lower high. I love that. VWAP is at 280. Ok.
Devo confermare.
J Slim on 3 minutes. Anybody still short traders on VCIG? Okay, let's hold over here for the 1 minute J lines. I love you all. This is what I wanted.
2 and 3.
Target over here, cover F. Boom. Let's look for 269. Good. That's what you wanted. Okay. Brutal, right? Perfect play.
Yeah. Vediamo se conferma questo.
No, questo confermato.
Yeah. Sì, sì. It's good, no?
Okay, so let's go back 1 second to Tesla. So the play on Tesla, as you know, is one of the plays that we love to trade. I don't need to tell you this because you actually know it, but that is our major, let me see where I put them. Bearish pattern, okay, J-line rejection over there. On F50, okay, so J-line rejection and pattern on that. Nvidia over here, another pattern, so the pop and fill of the gate, and then also another J-line rejection. So Nvidia TP is 130. Let's see if we can get there. What we're trading right now, traders, is CYCN, that we're holding this. Hope anybody took the gap and crap. So you can see that the system is telling us gap and crap play. And perfect over here, spot for a gap and crap. We have NQ. The open, pop and fail very fast. Then I was waiting over here for J lines, never came to that. Yes, instead choppy. Okay, let's go back over here to VCIG. Let's see also UMAC. UMAC is always holding the J lines, also J line curl over here. Hura again. Just continue to hold over here Nvidia and Tesla, okay? VCIG hold, CICN, CYCN hold, URA wait a fake out. Però non c'è niente.
No,
Perché non c'è il cross?
in questo
E
momento.
qui non c'è niente, ok. BCIG, okay. We're focusing on this. It's still holding an uptrend line this morning. Actually, it's holding the J lines and the BWAP. Mi piace perché ci sono due dots, quindi può venire da J-lines. Ci sono due things here.
Yeah.
It's creating over here lower highs, but also higher lows on VCIG. Guarda, c'è un altro, ma questo qui.
VCIG. Questo sta accoggiando.
Let's check VCIG traders. Watching high of day on VCIG.
Qui sta tagliando giù. Però qua sotto.
So we have URA is pushing, watching over here a level of 560 or higher. For now, we had a VWAP and J-line curl. VCIG would love to see a 320 fake out short. Still watch that VCIG traders, the volume over here.
Okay.
Big strong volume, this breakout. Get in around 330s.
Questo sopra. 9 seconds.
That's a clear out that we wanted to see. For now, we wait. Impressive volume with that clear out on VCG, and that's what small caps do, right?
See if this cuts down.
Let's see if we have a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
So big heat map above 350. Let's see if we can make a stuff over here around 340s. At a short 333 now. Waiting for a dump. Risk 350, TP 290. Looking over here for a dump. Careful because this is high volume. Careful traders because over here they're doing some kind of games. Added 342.
Ho capito.
So holding the position over here, you can see the big heat map, okay? They came over here. This is soaked. We're forming also lower high over here. Now we want to see a confirmation of this dump and ideally target to the 1 minute J lines. Let's keep our risk tight at high of day. And TPJ line, so we're looking for the R return. 315, beautiful trade. Anybody short with me? Want to see the 1 minute J lines? So we got the 310 and we are in from 340 and 330. Okay, we simply killed this. This level is the pre-market high. We want to see a break on the pre-market high, right? Vedi quello high come ha funzionato bene.
Sì, sì. Bene.
Ok, ho fatto così, però adesso sono a posto, basta.
Che mi sentire qualcosa.
Vedi l'ho scritto. $3 cover one or half. I shall cover one half here.
Meno male.
L'ho scritto anche qua. Nice play, team. Nice play. Okay, let's go back. Let's check Tesla first of all. Beautiful VWAP rejection and J line rejection. Nvidia from the J lines over here still fading. Hura over here, very low liquidity, so I'm not really interested too much in Hura. UMAC over here holding the 1 minute J lines. Not looking for any trades. Questo qui allora sì, va bene, giovedì prossimo 12:30. New York time, New York time, 12:30.
Yeah, sì, sì.
E quanto lei? Okay, team, let's review over here what we did this morning. So, first of all, we had Tesla plays. Now you can see on Tesla, all right, simply J-line rejection all morning. This rejection came with very good levels of heat map, so high conviction on this. Tesla, amazing play over here for the shorts. Wow, what a wash over here on Tesla. Plan worked. Nvidia also worked. I took the fibs, buddy, and yeah, it's a level. So if you can break now more, okay, we're gonna look for a target 130. Let's go back over here on VCIG. I expect over here some traders to have taken this, but also CYCN, that has been simply a perfect gap and crap. Very good morning. Very, very good day. All right, so CYCN, perfect gap and crap. You can see the gate over here. So we're gonna write over here a few things to make understand good the pattern. But essentially, it's a perfect rejection. This was beautiful, really beautiful. I think maybe the easiest setup of the day. Let's put over here CYCN. Yeah, CYCN. Beautiful CYCN, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go back and check VCIG. Simply holding the 1 minute J-lines. Nothing over here to do. Just holding over here. Yeah, the 130 correct, buddy. on Nvidia. Exactly. Correct. For me, is that the level? So thanks for pointing that out. I'm still watching over here on VCIG. All right, team, it's almost 2025. We had an incredible morning. I'm gonna be in mentoring session in about 20 minutes. Still holding personally VCIG. Risk for me is gonna be 350. Target 1 minute J lines. A decent day. I would like to invite you to study during the weekend. Also remember to sign up for the lifetime. Last few days you have the lifetime. Okay, so discount after we're gonna have not anymore this. Okay, well done, bully. Good trade, and I see you back traders on Friday. Thank you.